Your Excellency, we agree that development across Kenya should never be discretionary and should never be discriminatory. And Your Excellency, I want to assure you that with the spirit that you set in the 2-hour meeting that we had with the leaders of Homa Bay, that you are doing well, Your Excellency. Mimi naona uendelee tu kuchapa story, unaendelea kuchapa story na sisi watoto tutaambia baba tulichapa story, na ukipata time unaambia baba ulikuwa umeongea na watoto wake. My duty is very simple. It is to acknowledge all the leaders who are present here today. We have leaders who have served in the past and leaders who are serving currently. Allow me, Your Excellency, to acknowledge those leaders who have served in the past. I saw my friend Honorable Osele was around. I don't know Osele, Manochogo from Kabondo. I saw my friend Honorable Agostino Neto was present. Orwaka Kala Kuma Entieno, Manokite Chakrechon. I saw my friend Jared Kopio from Migori. Karibu Jared. I saw my friend Omuklela, Honorable Anyanga. Anyanga Nikacha. I saw my friend Honorable John Pesa from Migori. Pesa Nika Karibu. I saw my friend Honorable Ogindo, who used to represent this area. Honorable Ogindo Nikacha, Manowood Kanyada. I saw Mheshimiwa Daima bende na neno kacha, ne kaka kore romo, peso rome, peso donjo kuome. I saw my friend Ken Obura. Obura was around. Ewa achoni Obura ni koro ja deep state. In makamaka kanyo. Wabiro limi mbele kanyo. Is there a former member of parliament that have left out? I saw Nyarwathin Senator Bwana, Bedmos. I saw, okay, now that Nyarwath has prompted me, is a very good friend of mine. We only disagree on a few things. Nyarwath nika, Senator Makisumo. Karibu, former Senator Kisumo. Tonike Nyarwath osiepa, adwanyise ni opoga pogo duma, opoga pogo ganda, lakini kiko pogo ganda. Awacho kosoka wacho. Nyarwath nyaka na agwethi matini nikech inosiepa. Kami botera ebe onge. One car gijogo moserito counties. We have governors, and you know, once a governor, you become governor emeritus. We have the former governor for Kisumu, Jack Ranguma. Mheshimiwa Jack Ranguma, karibu. We have the former governor for Migori, Mheshimiwa Obado no. Ojadu Enwadwa, karibu Obado. We have the former governor of Nairobi County, His Excellency Evans Kidero. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Kidero. And last but not least, we have the former governor of Homa Bay, Cyprianus Achilaus Otieno Awiti. Erokamano governor. Aya, koro abire jogo matiyo sani. Your Excellency, Homa Bay County Assembly is here in its full glory. Members of Homa Bay County Assembly, wherever you are. Wako kwa ile tent ingine. Wako pale, walikuwa wengi, wote wamefika, karibuni. Speaker wa Homa Bay County Assembly, anaitwa Julius Gaya. Alikuwa amekaa mahali. So on behalf of all the MCAs, wewe, yule anaitwa Majority Leader Ogindo from Dhiwa, Your Excellency, huyo Ogindo, mimi nashuku baba yake na Orua Ojode walikuwa na uhusiano kidogo, sababu ukimwangalia anafanana na Orua Ojode kidogo. Na hata tabia zake ni kama za Orua Ojode. Anatumia kifua as his instrument of choice in everything. I don't know whether there's a speaker from any adjacent county present. If I didn't recognize you, please feel welcome. I moved to Kisumu County. I saw my friend Jared Otieno. Jared Karibu. Your Excellency, that's a guy who was talking about fish, and yet his constituency is rice and sugarcane. So please be careful when you take advice from him on fisheries. I wonder whether there is any other member from Kisumu. I think I only saw Jared, and I'm aware, Your Excellency, that you'll be meeting members from Kisumu later on. From Migori County, I saw my friend Gitayama. Gitayama, Maisori. Hii jamaa mzuri kabisa. Ni vile tu anataka kaunti ingine kule Migori. But he's a very good guy. Karibu Gitayama. Tuko na Mathias Robi. Your Excellency, Mathias Robi is a captain of the tug of war team in Parliament, and they lost at the last games in South Sudan. I saw Walter Wino, Awol from Awendo, Karibu. I saw Paula Buor. Paula Buor is our neighbor from Rongo, Karibu. I saw Mark Nyamita, Mark, Karibu. And I saw Fatuma Full Network. Nyathino to jabera kiana don kode kaka wuono. Benitie ngamawe omoa Migori, kopogore governor. I move over to the other members of parliament. Some of them are in the president's delegation. But I know that maybe the president might give them an opportunity later, but let me just acknowledge them. I saw my friend Joanna Ngeno, Mheshimiwa Ngeno, before he got married, we used to walk around with him. I'm very happy that he's now settled. I saw my friend Sudi. Be useneno Sudi? Usenene? Macha en. Onga chunyeler kabine no. Wechene masamoro duanyore. Na neno, I saw my friend Major Ndong, yuko wapi? Major, huyo ni mbunge kutoka Nairobi, najua alikuwa kwa delegation ya president na deputy president. If I've forgotten any member of parliament, I've seen Jaher Zanda. Huyo alikuwa kijana ya baba, akapata baba mpya, lakini bado ni rafiki yetu. Iko mbunge ambaye nimemwacha, Kitutu Chache North. You know, Gusiland did a complete revolution. Hii maneno ya hasla ilifagia Gusiland. Sasa iko watu wapya. Asante sana mheshimiwa. For all Jororok. Ilongo ni all Jorango. Usewinjo kanyo. All Jororok. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. Let me come to Homa Bay. Alafu nimalize, nipatie Nyawangaya otergini kako duaro. Homa Bay ka. Waluke. Meja Waluke. Mana emiluongo ni Waluke. Dhano mano tuwe kuom higni 900. Dong nuwinjo wacha. Omang'ani bede nigi Nyasache. Karibu sana Meja Waluke. Aya, sasa tunakuja Homa Bay. In Homa Bay, I want to introduce them in ascending order. In what order? So I start with Honorable Adipo Kuome. Dogemana ascending order. Mheshimiwa Adipo Kuome, Karachuonyo, karibu sana. Tunaye Daktari Ivo Bara, serving a second term as MP for Kabondo Kasipul. Karibu sana. Tunaye Mheshimiwa Lilian Gogo. Mheshimiwa Lilian Gogo, ne kaka nyako ber, ne kaka nyako ler. Karibu sana. Tunaye Mheshimiwa Ong'ondowere, Sir Charles. Achoga ni dunia imefanya nini? Ni dunia imenena. Mheshimiwa Kaluma, the local MP, Your Excellency, is on a parliamentary visit to the US and he sends his apology, and so does Honorable Martin Owino of Ndhiwa. We have Honorable Karoli Omondi. Karoli Omondi from Suba, Karibu. We have perhaps our senior most serving member of parliament. She takes that credit with John Mbadi. Honorable Millie Odhiambo. Nyasuba nika. Beuruake. Aya, aitokora die Nyangucha. Ilongo ni John Ngawa. Mano ilongo ni MP at large and chairman of OD. Karibu sana Mbadi. Aito wango pugnya wasungu. Ilongo ni Ajoinya Yesu. Ilongo ni Ben Suda. Bensuda yuko hapa. Aito wangi Abito mobedo nominated ogwel kaka senator. Iluongo ni Senator Beatrice Ogola. Senator nikacha. Wan bende wuono chieng' tapani governor ema borwako. Yawa jodala warwako gi koso karwako gi. Donge ne wawacho ni welo kobiro to warwako. Kendo ne wawacho ni ka welo biro gik mabeyo magikelo nwa to wakao. Baba nonyiso wa ni ka welo biro to warwak gi maber. Baba nonyiso wa ni ka welo biro to wawach weche mag maendeleo. Mane gimokelo wakaka wuono, omiyo ka biwacho mokalo kanyo, governor biro chiwo memorandum motegno, moting'o gigo duto te ma Homabay dwaro. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.